amazing. There it is. From the top, now to the bottom. We hiked from the top of that mountain and then earlier today, and then as the days went, we went down and we decided to go swim today. So that was our plan, was that we wanted to go hike on top of the mountain and then eventually get down into the water.